Hey folks, I'm Tony.
And I'm Tina.
And we're TNT RVing. So we're here at the Florida RV Super Show and we are checking out some Rockwoods and Flagstaffs, and we came across this 41-foot fifth wheel by Flagstaff. Yes. And Tina, what is the model number of this unit?
This massive, beautiful unit is a 2026 404 CRK. This is sweet. So come on, let's check it out.
Alrighty, so we're going to condense the exterior tour of this fifth wheel. And I'm going to put all of the specs down below in the box. And I want to start off here at the front cap. Of course, Rockwood Flagstaff, they do such a great job. One-piece fiberglass front cap and this dock lighting, Kurt Rotoflex pin box, front storage here. Alrighty, Tina, let's take a look closer in here in this front compartment. Here's where your battery box is and your disconnect, some other equipment. One of the neat things about Rockwood Flagstaff, you can order yourself a Master Volt lithium power package directly from the factory. And say you already have a fifth wheel and you like that Master Volt package, that will be available at our friends ABC Upfitters. They'll design a system that's right for your camping needs. So let's continue along, Teen, and take a look at this 41-foot fifth wheel. This thing is really neat. I'm really excited to show you what the interior looks like as well. So up front here, you got your 30-pound propane tanks on the other side as well. By the way, this unit comes standard with 200-watt solar, 1800-watt inverter. Up here, if we look, our frameless windows, of course. Nice big awning. Great storage down here. Look at this in here, Teen.
This is massive.
It has our gears in here. Of course, there's some pillows and stuff, but you have plenty of storage up front here as well. Water heater, friction door, light winds, you set it, it's gonna stay in place. Heavier winds, you have this little arm here, hooks up to the door, it'll stay in place. These 4 steps here, these are by MoreRide. These are the step above, and the nice thing here is you have a gas shock assist that helps offset the weight, easy peasy, to lift them up and stow them away. The other thing I like from MoreRide are the safety rail here. And look at the length of this. All the way up, you have a nice hand hold here. Easily stows away just by doing that. And you put the pin in there and it stays in place. To deploy it, just like that. And you can put the pin in here so you don't lose it. Continuing along back, underneath the steps, you can see the auto leveling leg right over there. There's another one in the back side here. As you can see, it's down there. The other thing that I feel is really important to share with you, take a look at the suspension system in here. This is the Kurt Slipper Roller Suspension System, and I'm going to put an animated video in there and show you how that works. And it's really slick that they provide you that from the factory. The other thing you'll notice here is these red drums. These red drums are anti-lock brakes, aluminum wheels, Goodyear Endurance tires. You have balance beads inside, and not only balance beads, but you have the Road Tech TPMS system. Measures your tire pressure along with temperature and displays that on the remote that you carry with you. Take a look at these large frameless windows here, and this opens just at the bottom here as well. Long back, we have LP disconnect back there. And then if you look underneath here, I'm going to bring you in closer. They have this accessory table that plugs in right underneath there. It's like a receiver. So you could have your kitchen back in here as well. And then of course in the back here, we have our ice maker. This is where your refrigerator would be. And right here is your spray port, hot and cold water as well. Receiver that has a 3,000 pound tow rating, 300 pound hitch rating, 250 pound rating on the ladder. Goes all the way up. And of course you're prepped for a rear camera as well. So that pretty much wraps up the exterior. Tina, why don't you show us the interior?
Okay, come on.
Alrighty, so here's another look at the exterior. The all-new 2026 Flagstaff 404 CRK, 41-foot fifth wheel. And let's go see what Tina's up to.
So come on inside, but before you do, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. But we're gonna give you a quick just pan through what this beautiful fifth wheel looks like, and then we'll bring you in closer to take a detailed look at everything. But look at this. This is massive and beautiful. I could live here for sure. Here we've got our panel in this cabinet here where you have your WeRV panel. This is how you turn on all your lights, and you can see when they're on, they're blue, where they're off, they're white. This is where you put out your awnings or your slides, check your tank levels, and you can access this all with your smartphone. It also has your solar controller here and your switch for your ceiling fan up there. Your beautiful ceiling fan. Yeah. So come on in, Tony, and let's take a closer look. Look at this ginormous television set. This is amazing. This is where you're watching those football games for certain. You have a cubby here that has your Bluetooth indoor-outdoor speakers and this beautiful giant fireplace as well. But the neat thing about this fifth wheel, new for the industry, is look at this L-shaped couch that does not have to be dismantled when the slide comes in. The slide will come in, this slide, the opposing slide will come in, and you do not have to dismantle your couch. This part of the couch turns into a bed. These have your recliners over here, but you don't even need any of that. I can lounge on here pretty nicely without having to do any of that. So you have this storage area up here, and as you can see, it says no dismantling of the sectional needed to bring it in with the slides. The other thing I want to point out is look at these nice light fixtures. You have these nice sconces over here, but then the really cool one in the kitchen up there. I really like that. And the faux beam that we have here makes it very sleek looking. You have 2 air conditioner units up here. Really nice for sure. So we're gonna work our way into the kitchen. Look at this massive amount of counter space you have. And if you need more, it has this little extension that's up now, but you can fold this down as well. But this would be nice to have when you're doing dishes. You have this big single basin sink, your solid surface countertops, but I do love this. It's a lot of space. Your Furrion oven stove. You've got your 3-burner stove, this big microwave. That's really nice, and that's a magic shop. And look at all of this cabinet space. And these are all solid wood doors. Look at that. This is nice. But you have all this space up here. And we have 2 of these power towers here. You have one on this side and one on the other side of the stove, which is really nice for putting all your appliances plugged in. But look at all this drawer space. You've got drawer space here, here, nice deep drawer here, cabinetry under here. Look at all that. So you have that. Plus you have all this over here. And this is also accessible by the outside over there, as you can see. Then you have the drawer here that already is sectioned out for your utensils, and the soft closed drawers. This is really cool. My favorite is all this space up above this residential refrigerator. Look at this. You can do your major Costco runs for storing stuff up there, as well as in here, here, and then if you're wondering where the trash can is, it is right here. So very cool.
What's this drawer right here?
That's where you're putting your trash bags.
Yeah, there you go.
That's really cool. So you've got your residential fridge here. And now we know where they're storing all of their drinks for the show. Very nice. And then it has the freezer drawer down here, but very well equipped for certain. So over here you have your dining table with the chairs, and this piece actually folds down if you need it smaller, and there is a drawer in here as well. So you can put your cards in here, or napkins, or placemats. So there you go. And if you haven't noticed, these are giant picture windows. These do not open. These on the sides do, but this is just so you have a great view out and it's not interrupted with the screens or what have you. Really nice.
I like that.
That is really very sleek. So we're going to work our way this way. There's another window here, as well as one on this slide. But this is where if you're working on the road, look at this great desk space you have here. Lovely chair, 3 drawers. I think I could get some work done here. Maybe not. Maybe I just want to play if I'm at the campground. But it has a little spot here where you can put your cords and plug them in down there for your computers. Let's work our way upstairs. Here's your digital thermostat, your tri-zone thermostat. Pretty cool. And it has this door that you can close off both the bathroom and the primary bedroom as well. So come on inside this massive bathroom. This is pretty cool. Look at this, everybody. Dual sinks. Nice. So you have lots of cabinet space under here, as well as drawer space. 3 drawers, actually. More cabinet space down here. Look at that. And then you can put a trash can under there very easily. So you have a medicine cabinet here, as well as big cabinet, deep cabinets in here. You're storing a lot of stuff in here.
Wow.
Yeah, right? I have a max air vent fan up here as well. And this is a very large shower. Look at this. This is nice. Nice fixtures. So as we come out of the shower here, I forgot to point out these hooks for your towels or robes right here. But look at the nice space on the toilet. And then over here we have the remote for your max air vent fans, and an outlet here, as well as your light switches. We're going to work our way into the primary bedroom now with the king size bed. Very nice. We've got a television set here, and then we have this nice window with the counter space for your dresser, with all this drawer space, and you have cabinetry down here, as well as this side. And on this side also is an outlet, as well as a USB port, so you could charge your phones here. So in here, we have your washer dryer prep. But if you decided not to put in the washer and dryer, look at all of the space you would have for storage. Down here, look at this nice closet space, and the light's going to come on as I open it. Storage space here, as well as the hanging. And then there's drawer space down here as well. This is pretty cool. And then it latches here for travel as well. We have more storage space up here. You got your air conditioning unit and also the 80-inch ceilings. Nice height in this unit. You have a cubby here where you could put a CPAP machine or whatever, and there's actually an outlet right underneath here, so you can plug in whatever appliance, even an alarm clock or what have you. Does anybody even use alarm clocks anymore? I don't know.
Not when you're camping.
Yeah, well, that's true. So you also have your reading light here and your USB ports inside those reading lights. You have more storage up here. And in case you didn't have enough storage space in this whole unit, we can lift up the bed and look at all that space under there, and look at staying up on its own, and look at the aluminum framing that Rockwood and Flagstaff both use. So that's a great unit. If you're looking for a giant fifth wheel with really amazing ceilings and you don't have to remove the sectional to bring in the slides, this is for you for sure.
Well, there you have it, folks. I hope you found this video helpful, useful, entertaining possibly, and if you did, I'd appreciate it if you'd subscribe to TNT RVing.
Yeah, give us a big thumbs up, a like, and we'll see you at the campground.